Men. We're standing at the dawn of a new day. On January the 20th, 2014 at 1 p.m., Newport News City Hall. This is when we take our position, our right position in society. No longer will we lay on the sideline being silent when our children and our women are going uncared for. We need to get back in the house, back in the community. It's time to stop being silent and raise your voice that it may be heard, that we will not stand for crime, we will not stand for drug infestation, we will not stand for homelessness, we will not stand for our people being abused and neglected. It's time to stand. Remember, 1/20/14, Newport News City Hall. I want to see you.
I don't want to stress no more. I don't want to stress
Calling all men. It's time for us to stand up and be the leaders that we are intended to be. 1/20/14 on the steps of City Hall at 1 p.m. We're chosen to come out and stand up for what we believe in. It's time for us to stop standing on the sidelines and get out and do something. Be the leaders that you were supposed to be. What better day than January 20th, Dr. Martin Luther King's birthday, for us to rise up and stand out there and be the brothers and fathers, family men, and community leaders that we're intended to be. Calling all men. Don't sit down. Don't relax. Don't watch things go by. Do something. Come out and stand up for what we believe in, and let's make this community something better.
Hey, look. I want all the real men to join us. Join us on MLK Day, City Hall, 120. Real men stand up. All right, we're gonna represent. We're gonna stand behind this cause. We want you there too. All right, join us. Stand up. It's about that time.
Real men stand up.
Right.
Real men stand up.
Stay on the scene with the finer things, like the spot that I got. This reminding me.
Men. Calling all men. Men, it's time to take a stand. On 1/20/14. Men, aren't you tired of having your wives carrying the load of family problems? It's time for us as real men. Real men. It's time for us to be the head of our house. It's time for us to start praying for our community. Aren't you tired of seeing the brothers downtown on the corners asking for change, selling drugs? It's time to put a stop to all of this. Now, 1/20/14, 1 p.m., downtown Newport News City Hall. Time to take a stand.
Calling all men. We've been sitting down too long. Time for us to stand. Time for us to stand up for our communities, to stand up for our families, to stand up for everything we see going wrong in the world to make it better, but most importantly, stand up for ourselves. It's time for men to be men. It's time for us to stop letting other people dictate our lives and get our communities back in order. So please, calling all men, come out and stand with us. January 20th, Martin Luther King Day at 1 p.m. in Newport News City Hall. Stand.
Like the drop in the watch is reminding me. I don't wanna don't wanna live out here, bro. Stay on the scene with the finer things, like the spot that I got. This reminding me.
Hey man, meet us 1/20/14 for an incredible event with men coming together. I'm reminded of what Dr. King said. He said the measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but the measure of a man is where he stands in moments of challenges and controversy. So we're coming together as men to stand, to pray, and to seek God's face. So join us on that day.
Stand.
Stand.
Stand. Stand. Stand. Stand.
Jumbo Star. He Jumbo Star? So you want English, huh?